Here we are, back in the portable garage for a Project DGC update. Things are going pretty good. Inside stripped out there, we'll get back to that. But we have the high clearance A-arms all installed. These things are awesome. They're freaking heavy and heavy duty. And yeah, I'm sure they're going to take a pounding. Had her out for one test ride there, and yeah, we'll let you know shortly here what happened with that test ride. But yeah, so far really enjoying these A-arms for the short trip that they're on. One of the beautiful things about it is they are adjustable. So I'm not sure if they call it camber or whatnot, but allows you to adjust the tire in and out there on the top type deal. Comes in quite handy when we go to change the springs and stuff to deal with the ride height to keep everything to track properly. And we'll move on down here to the front. As you can see here, we got them all installed, working good. Got the Super ATV Rhino axles and the high clearance A-arms and hind joints on the lower, and they're fully adjustable like the rear, and yeah, definitely should add some longevity to it over the ball joints. Yeah, I can't wait to get her out for a full test run. Give you a little shot here of all the old A-arms and bushings. I believe they're in somewhat of a demand, so I'm going to have to see who's looking for them. But yeah, back to the machine here. Yeah, when changing the front A-arms, a lot of people pretty well disassemble the whole front end. There's a steel frame in behind here. We've got to see a little piece of it right there. They usually remove that, goes on up inside. But really all you need to do is disconnect it on the bottom. A couple of bolts here. Pull it forward, and the bolts for, I don't know if you can see that little hole in there, but you can pull it out enough to slide the bolt out. A lot quicker, a lot easier, and less of a pain in the seat cushion. But as you can see right now, I have a ratchet strap actually strapped to the axles. And the reason for that is I had to disconnect the front diff and shift it forward. That's that bugger right there. And the reason for that is we kind of lost the carrier bearing for the drive shaft. There's kind of bits and pieces of the old one here. One ball bearing there left, just not in the right position. But yeah, that carrier bearing kind of went out on me. So we picked up a new one here, and yeah, going to install that today. It actually goes over this part here of the shaft. And yeah, then it mounts right here. And it's like a slip joint, I guess, for this little geared piece here, kind of, or cog, or whatever you want to call it there, that slides inside of here and allows for a little bit of movement back and forth. But yeah, it's definitely an interesting trip with this machine. I don't mind doing the repairs. I love to learn whatever I can on this thing. And yeah, from front to back, we pretty well got her all covered now. Maybe just more engine and transmission work? Who knows? We'll have to see. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little episode here. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.